If you want to change DPI settings on the Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. Next, we can go to additional settings and then open accessibility. Now in here, we need to switch to the vision category, and you should be able to find display size, and we can choose one of these sizes in order to change DPI on our phone. And of course, remember to use this check in the upper right corner. Besides that, you can also use developer options in order to adjust DPI manually. So let's go back to settings, scroll up in order to go to about phone. Keep tapping on OS version until you need to enter the screen lock password, and then you will see that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back to settings again, scroll all the way down and go back to additional settings. And then in here, we should be able to find developer options. Now here we need to scroll down until we find the smallest width option. We're gonna select it, and the lower the number is, the bigger the screen will be. So I believe the limit is 320. This is the lowest number that we can enter, and it should make everything bigger. Now I can see that keyboard is actually slightly bigger, but not the whole screen. So we can try to adjust that. Maybe we can use 330. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure why. Sometimes, there we go. Now actually 340 worked for the screen. So maybe the UI actually has a different limit than the Android. And of course, if we enter the bigger number, like 600 for example, everything should be much smaller. And now as you can see, it is still like that. So unfortunately, as you can see, sometimes it works just fine, and sometimes you have to give a couple of different tries. I'm not sure why it is like that, but yeah. Maybe if I switch back to 393 it will work. It actually did. So maybe there are only certain values that work, because I can see that the buttons at the bottom of the screen are changing, but not the UI over here. So maybe this is an issue with the Hyper OS. Maybe in your case it will work in a better way. Nevertheless, I'm just gonna switch back to 393, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully in your case it might work better. So subscribe to my channel.